Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and delicious keto cornbread stuffing recipe, so stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below so you'll receive an alert every time I post a new video. This keto cornbread dressing or stuffing, whichever you call it, is adapted from my grandmother's classic Southern recipe. I know you're going to love it as much as we do. Okay, so to make a cornbread dressing or stuffing recipe, obviously you're going to need cornbread. And to get the cornbread recipe, I'm going to post a link right here over my left-hand shoulder. So once you have the cornbread made, all you're going to do is chop it into small cubes. And then we're going to put it in the oven until it gets kind of dried out and browned on top. And I also like to add a little bit of keto just sandwich bread. You don't have to add it, but I think it really adds to the flavor and it helps hold the stuffing or dressing together so it doesn't crumble as much. But like I said, you can omit it. However, we really like it with at least a quarter loaf of sandwich bread. To get started, we're going to chop 3 stalks of celery and an onion. Then we'll saute them over medium heat in either some butter, non-dairy butter, or oil. So instead of leaving the cornbread in cubes, we're going to do this the Southern way, and we're going to crumble it into a large bowl, the way my grandmother used to make. So now we're going to add the onion and celery that we just sauteed, along with all the oil or butter or whatever. It gives it some really nice flavor. And the spices. Spices are so good. We have salt, pepper, sage, thyme. I'm trying to remember what all we have. Garlic, parsley, and onion. I don't think I forgot anything. I think that's all we have. I'm going to mix this really well. And now we're going to fold in 3 eggs so it holds together and isn't too crumbly. So once the eggs get nice and folded in, we're going to pour in some chicken broth so it'll all hold together. About around a cup. And you want it to be nice and moist and hold together well. And if you end up having liquid just kind of sitting on the bottom of the bowl, it means you add too much and you need to find some more cornbread or bread to crumble in. But you don't want it to be dry. I'm making a huge mess over here. That's okay though. The messier the better. And this still seems pretty crumbly to me. It's not holding together, so I'm going to add just a little bit more. I think I added close to 1.5 cups. So now that it's all mixed together, we're going to just bake it in a 10 by 13 inch baking dish. And we're going to start off with it covered for about 30 minutes so it doesn't dry out. And then we're going to take the foil off and so the top gets nice and brown, and we'll bake it another 10 to 15 minutes and it's good to go. Put some foil over the top and I'll see you back here after it's baked. Okay, so this just came out of the oven and I gotta say it looks delicious. And if you notice, it has a little bit of a smoother texture than other dressing recipes because we crumbled it. We crumbled the cornbread and the sandwich bread, and then we added 3 eggs instead of 2 eggs, and we added broth so it all held together. And so now I can't wait to try it. Oh yeah, this is looking really good, and it reminds me so much of my grandmother's, how she used to make it. Okay, let's try it here. It's really, really good. I can't wait for you to taste it. And you don't have to, I'm going to pause right there.
Okay.
And brown.
Is that camera on?
No! And we're going to crumble it into a large bowl. And the reason we're crumbling it is this is the way my granny used to make it. That's how I like it. It's smoother. It has a kind of a more creamy consistency and holds together. And I'm sorry that my dog keeps whining in the background. But instead of having large chunks, yeah, we're going to crumble it. I'm just going to start that whole thing over again.